My name is Koffman. I'm a graduating senior from ODU. So this whole one is going to be called Preservation. It's going to be a two-person show with myself and Rayven Harris. So these are going to be woodblock prints on paper, and they are speaking to an incident that happened a few years back involving a Seattle student who was killed by the police. And then I have an additional installation going up of Boundless 23, which are woodblock prints on fabric, and I'm excited for everybody to see them.
My name is Rayven Harris, and I'm building an installation, basically a room that my father would have stayed in if he was still present with us. Basically, it's just expressing the place that also belongs to me now, my house that was passed down to me when he passed, and just me building a connection and finding the missing dots.